Let n and m be the two positive integers such that they are exactly 41 integers greater than 8 power m and lesser than 8 power n, which can be expressed as a power of 2. Now understand this thing. You want your value to be greater than 8 power 1 m and lesser than 8 power n, and these values which are present in between these two values should be expressed as a power of 2. Now, then the smallest possible value of n plus m has been asked to you. Now, you are looking at 2 to the power of something. Let's call it as a. Now, this 2 power a should lie between 8 power m and 8 power n. This is going to become a bit more difficult if you try to compare it in this format. Rather, let's try to convert this in the power of 2, everything into the power of 2. So, you are going to get 2 to the power of 3m, which is less than the given value, and then over here you can write 2 to the power of 3n. So your value should lie between these two. There should be exactly 41 integer values that should be present in between these two values. Now we have to figure out the smallest possible value of n and m. So let me take a value of m, n, and try to check for what values of m and n. There are 41 integers which can be expressed as 2 power something. N and m are two positive integers. So I'm starting the value of m as 1. If I start with the value of m as 1, you're going to get 2 power 3. And you need 41 values over here. How many values? 41 values. So the next value which can be present over here is 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. I need 41 values over here. And I have 2 power 3 over here. So I can realize that this can go all the way from 2 power 4 up to 2 power 44. That is when you will have 41 values in between that. So then this value should be 2 power 45. If this has to be 2 power 45, the value of n has to be 15. In that case, n plus m is going to be equals to 16. Now, just to ensure that we are certain that this is the lowest possible value that you are looking at, let's try to find out a pair of value more and see if that helps us to ensure that our answer is absolutely correct or not. So let me take the value of m as 2 now. If I take the value of m as 2, I'm going to get 2 power 6 over here. Then the value should start from 2 power 7 and move all the way in such a way that we get 41 values over here. So I'm going to get 2 power 47 over here. So that is less than 2 power 48 as the next value. If this has to be 2 power 48, the value of n has to be 16 in that case, because 16 into 3 is 48. 16 plus 2 is going to be 18, and hence this is now increasing. So option D, 16, is the correct answer for this question.